Military exercises conducted by Indian Army. Al-Najah is conducted with which country? The answer, Oman. IMBAX is conducted with which country? The answer, Myanmar. WINBAX is a joint military exercise between India and which country? The answer, Vietnam. Bold Kurukshetra is conducted with which country? The answer, Singapore. Ekuvarine is conducted with which country? The answer, Maldives. Garud Shakti is a joint military exercise between India and which country? The answer, Indonesia. Hand in Hand is conducted with which country? The answer, China. Indra is conducted with which country? The answer, Russia. Khanjar is a joint military exercise between India and which country? The answer, Kyrgyzstan. L'Amitié is conducted with which country? The answer, Seychelles. Maitri is conducted with which country? The answer, Thailand. Mitra Shakti is a joint military exercise between India and which country? The answer, Sri Lanka. Nomadic Elephant is conducted with which country? The answer, Mongolia. Kazind is conducted with which country? The answer, Kazakhstan. Sampriti is a joint military exercise between India and which country? The answer, Bangladesh. Surya Kiran is conducted with which country? The answer, Nepal. Yudh Abhyas is conducted with which country? The answer, USA. Military exercises conducted by Indian Air Force. Garud is an Air Force exercise conducted with which country? The answer, France. Eastern Bridge is an Air Force exercise conducted with which country? The answer, Oman. Avia Indra is conducted with which country? The answer, Russia. Shyam Bharat is conducted with which country? The answer, Thailand. Desert Eagle is conducted with which country? The answer, UAE. Indradhanush is conducted with which country? The answer, UK. Red Flag is an Air Force exercise conducted with which country? The answer, USA. Shinyu Maitri is conducted with which country? The answer, Japan. Military exercises conducted by Indian Navy. SLINEX is conducted with which country? The answer, Sri Lanka. Naseem Al-Bahar is conducted with which country? The answer, Oman. Indo-Corpat is conducted with which country? The answer, Indonesia. Indra Navy is conducted with which country? The answer Russia. Sahyog Hoptak is conducted with which country? The answer Vietnam. Konkan is conducted with which country? The answer UK. Simbex is conducted with which country? The answer Singapore. Varuna is conducted with which country? The answer France. IMCOR is conducted with which country? The answer Vietnam. Zair al Bahr is conducted with which country? The answer Qatar. Bongo Sagar is conducted with which country? The answer Bangladesh. Thanks for watching. Please like and share the video and subscribe to GK Sprint for more such videos.